So, take into consideration for context all the different videos I've had talking about consciousness, esoteric things, dreams, all that stuff. Now, I just pose a conundrum, a question. And I'll say that I'm not sure if there is a conclusive either or answer. Does your brain generate consciousness, or does your brain receive consciousness? Stems from a ponderance a moment ago that I wondered if the population of conscious beings grows and grows and grows, does it dilute the collective consciousness? Does the collective consciousness weaken on an individual level? Or, depending on which it is, does the brain generate consciousness? If you've got more people generating consciousness, shouldn't it be stronger? And if you've got more brains receiving consciousness, but the consciousness is a signal, the radio station doesn't get weaker if you've got 10,000 more radios listening. It's not how that works. But I wonder, does the brain generate or receive it? Do I want to know the answer? That's a real question.